Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic AI videos in Google Flow step by step. If you want your AI-generated videos to look as natural and lifelike as possible, this guide will help you achieve better results. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open an existing project, or click New Project ** to create a new one. Once you're inside the project workspace, click on the prompt box. Creating realistic AI videos starts with writing a detailed and accurate prompt. The AI can only generate what you describe, so the more information you provide, the better the results will be. Instead of using a short prompt like asterisk, a person in a park, asterisk, try writing something much more descriptive. For example, a young woman jogging through a city park during the early morning, realistic facial expressions, natural body movement, soft sunlight, detailed trees, gentle breeze. Cinematic camera tracking shot, ultra-realistic 4K quality. You should also include details about lighting, weather, clothing, camera angles, facial expressions, emotions, and the environment. These small details help the AI produce videos that feel much more realistic. If Google Flow offers style or quality settings, choose the realistic style if it's available. You can also select the highest video quality and the appropriate aspect ratio for your project. Higher quality settings usually produce cleaner and more detailed results. Now click the generate button and allow Google Flow to create your video. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, the generation process may take a few moments. After the video is ready, watch it carefully from beginning to end. Look for natural movements, realistic lighting, smooth camera motion, and accurate details. If something doesn't look right, go back and improve your prompt by adding more specific instructions instead of starting from scratch. Many creators generate several versions of the same scene before choosing the best one. Don't hesitate to experiment with different prompts, camera movements, and lighting descriptions until you achieve the result you're looking for. Once you're satisfied with your realistic AI video, save your project to keep all your progress. If your account includes an export or download option, use it to save the final video to your computer. And that's how you create realistic AI videos in Google Flow. With detailed prompts, the right settings, and a little creativity, you can produce AI videos that look incredibly lifelike and professional. Thanks for watching. If this